How to make iced coffee. Get your caffeine jolt and chill out at the same time with an iced coffee. You will need coffee, a refrigerator, and ice cubes. Optional, sugar, an ice cube tray, and milk or cream. Step 1. Brew a pot of very strong coffee, at least 1 heaping tablespoon per 6-ounce cup. Adding ice will dilute it, so unless you like weak coffee, brew a batch that will put hair on your chest. Step 2. Add your desired amount of sugar while the coffee is still hot. Then let it cool for 30 minutes to an hour. Step 3. Chill the coffee overnight in the refrigerator. If you don't want to dilute your iced coffee, pour some into an ice cube tray before you put the rest in the fridge. Stick the tray in the freezer. When you're ready to drink it, use those cubes instead of regular ice. Step 4. Pour the coffee over a tall glass of ice. Pour in milk or cream, if you like, and stir. Enjoy! Did you know the first coffee house in London was established in the 1650s?